is Michael. In the meantime, Rohit, Delhi 06, how are you doing, man? Good to see you again. DJ Katz is saying hi. Armando is here again. Hey Armando, good to see you. अगर आपके कुछ सवाल हैं, अगर आप कुछ और टीम लॉयल्टी के साथ अगर आप उनसे कुछ प्रश्न करना चाहते हो तो आप पूछ सकते हो. एंड इफ यू सी द क्वेश्चन पॉपिंग अप ऑन स्क्रीन, हम उसका जवाब भी देंगे. Shruti Sinha lovers is also here. Michael is with us. If I can get this thing to work, Instagram is so buggy sometimes. Michael is still not online, or at least I can see Michael. Mike, if you're online, you may need to just switch off and rejoin the live because I can't seem to see you, my brother, my friend. Dishant is saying, I hope you're fine, sir. सरोड़े में है, रसोड़े में है माइकल. अच्छा, सबरी सिंह सरोड़े में है. यू हैड टी? नहीं, मैं अभी आज कॉफ़ी पी रहा हूँ. ये है मेरा कॉफ़ी. एंड टुडे इज़ अ कॉफ़ी काइंड ऑफ अ डे. सिंह राजपूत is saying hi. Kevin Rushi fandom, ask them if they're coming in Splitsvilla or not. We don't know anything about Splitsvilla right now, guys. I mean, we're talking about roadies right now. Splitsvilla तो बहुत दूर की बात है, मगर पता नहीं, हो सकता है, हो भी नहीं सकता है. Kevin and Arushi, looks like they've got a good bond, and Splitsvilla is all about what's the word? Bonding. Yes, bonding. We're gonna try Michael again. If we can't get Michael online, I still can't seem to see you, Mike. This is really strange. This is one really screwed up thing. Instagram. I can't seem to find Mike. Let me see if we can get Kevin online. Kevin is here. Kevin, you're online. Wasn't able to get Mike connected. Waiting for Kevin. Al-Masifar. Kevin is in America right now, by the way. I don't know whether you guys know this, मगर वो पिछले हफ्ते मुंबई से अमेरिका चला गया था और वहाँ पे उसकी ट्रेनिंग शुरू हो गई है. वो दोबारा MMA और मिक्स मार्शल आर्ट्स और किक बॉक्सिंग की ट्रेनिंग शुरू कर रहा है. Kevin is always online. This is true. I have never been online and not seen Kevin online. Look,
what's up?
Right now, online. What's going, man?
All good. I thought I'm going second, so I wasn't ready. I was trying to get ready.
You like makeup?
Yeah, the hair. Have to get the hair.
So I think Michael is still doing push-ups, or he's doing his.
Yeah, he's pumping up that chest.
Yeah, I couldn't find him online, so I'm not quite sure where he was. So, तू अमेरिका में कहाँ पे है?
Charleston. But I'll show you a little view.
Charleston. रुक जा. वहीं पे थोड़े काफी खतरनाक Black Lives Matter के प्रोटेस्ट भी हुए थे ना?
I'm not sure. Probably.
I'll slap
I
you,
think
Kevin.
so.
I'll do. Charleston was,
as
far as I know, the scene of some pretty serious protesting that happened a few months ago.
In Charleston?
Yeah. Charleston, right?
Yeah, I must have missed it. I was in India doing roadies.
You were in
I think
Pune.
I missed it. Yeah.
That's your excuse. हमारे रोडीज और उनका GK, वाह वाह, क्या बात है. So that's where you are right now. It looks like a nice place.
My GK was bad. Even when we had to write the form where it was for the audition, there was a question: what would you rate your GK from 10? I rated myself like a 5. That also because of I know some countries.
A 5? A 5? Really?
Yeah, I know things that are happening in some countries. I don't know everything. So it was 5.
Okay. How's your math? How's your math?
I'm trying to. My math is pretty bad. My math is like a 2.
Okay. But do you know your multiplication
But I'm good at
tables?
poker. And poker requires math. So I'm gonna set myself.
Oh, come on.
Here. Yes.
How are your multiplication tables?
It depends if you
Mike's-
ask me
Mike's-
like 35 into 25.
Mike's gonna join next. I just found. Okay, listen. I'm gonna ask you a simple question. और अगर जो लोग यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, अगर आपको इसका आंसर पता है तो आप कमेंट्स में टाइप कर सकते हैं. The question is very simple. What is the square root of 49?
What is the square root of 49?
Square root of 49.
I'm gonna wait for the comments.
Okay, let's see if people know the answer in the comments.
I
What is
think-
the square root of 49. Nisha Yogini is online. She's saying, "Hi,
I
Hamza,
think it's
probably
7.
meant for you, not for me for
Is
sure."
it 7? I knew it. I
Arushi,
didn't
first
see
one
it.
to answer. Well done, well done. 7, yes. The answer is 7.
Right.
Lucky number 7, man.
Yes,
Square root
lucky
49.
number 7.
Listen, since Arushi is online right now, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि केविन, आप तो इस टास्क में परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहे थे, मगर आप तो पर्सनली बहुत ही ज्यादा इन्वेस्टेड थे इस टास्क में. आप
I was very
आप चाहते थे कि आरुषि ये टास्क जीते.
Yes.
इसके रीजंस बताओ कि आप क्यों चाहते थे इतना कि आरुषि ही ये टास्क जीते और वो वापस रोडीज में वापस आए.
First off, she's Arushi. She's my best friend on the show. She's
Okay.
we're
Is that what
very
we're calling it?
close.
Best friends?
We're very close. We're very close.
Best friends.
Close. And
Best friends, best friends, best friends, best friends. Yay, we're best friends.
yeah, that is the left one is me. I mean the right one for you is me. The pink one. Anyway, so she's from Team
Okay.
Loyalty. तो इसीलिए मैं
So, tell me.
support करना था क्योंकि हमारा team पे थे. And it was obvious for me to like go with support Arushi, and because everybody else was against Arushi.
Nothing but best friends here. तू इतना हंस क्यों रहा है? ये तो सिर्फ best friends.
It's a cute horse, and is it a horse?
No,
What
it's
is that?
This is a meerkat. This is a meerkat, and
Okay.
this is a dinosaur.
It's a dinosaur. It's a pink dinosaur.
Pink dinosaur, man. The best colors, pink.
Pink.
Why would you
Pink.
have any other colors? Dinosaurs need to be pink. I mean,
Yes.
gnarly pink dinosaur.
I mean, nobody knows. I mean, people do know, but let's
I mean,
just act like we don't know because we haven't
The
seen.
guys who are watching this live, they're getting distracted. ये बता कि आरुषि गेम में अभी गेम से बाहर थी. आप चाहते थे कि वो जीते, मगर बिहाइंड द सीन्स भी आपने कुछ बातें की थी दूसरे रोडीज के साथ कि अगर वो जीतती है नहीं जीतती है, अगर कोई वोटर का मामला आएगा तो आप क्या करोगे?
तो मुझे मालूम था आरुषि जीतेगी क्योंकि
Yeah.
it was pretty obvious because she's the performer. Yes, she's got the muscle. So Apurva doesn't. And
Well, actually, listen. I'm not going to do this again because लोग तो वैसे ही बोल रहे हैं यार कि तुमने आरुषि की तारीफ आरुषि को अप्रिशिएट क्यों नहीं किया. सबसे पहले मैं कहता हूँ कि जो मेरे जो बहुत करीब होते हैं, people who are close to me, I actually appreciate them very less because there's a lot of unspoken stuff that happens between people that I'm close to, right?
Yes.
I don't vocalize that, and that actually is not a good thing on my part. It's a failing on my part, और मैं ये acknowledge करता हूँ कि मुझे ज़्यादा appreciate करना चाहिए. आरुषि killed the task. She was fantastic. I was never in doubt क्योंकि जब वो question answer चल रहा था और जब वो balancing का भी कभी task चल रहा था, मुझे तो कोई doubt था ही नहीं कि पूनम और आरुषि ये task को जीतने वाले हैं. और इनके जो answers भी थे मेरे हिसाब से I felt that a lot of them were going to be right. But उस टाइम मुझे लगा कि यार आरुषि अभी अपूर्वा शो छोड़ के जा रही है तो उसको थोड़ा अच्छा बोल के भेजते हैं because you don't want to send anybody on a bad note.
Yeah.
और जो मैंने अपने YouTube पे भी लिखा था कि हमें यार
after all, you're the leader, and you
नहीं.
have to support all the roadies.
It's not just that. I actually do wish that all the roadies do well in life. वो अलग कहानी है.
Me
मगर
too.
जो कैंप में चल रहा है और जो बातें आप सबके बीच में होती है वो हमें पता नहीं होता है. अब जब मैं वूट पे देख रहा हूँ अनकट वर्जन जो अनसीन अनदेखा है जो मैं वूट पे देख रहा हूँ तब मुझे पता चला कि एक्चुअली क्या बातें बिहाइंड द सीन्स हो रही हैं. That's why I was asking you like what is this happening behind the scenes, and over there from all the experience that the gang leaders have had of Apurva was her audition was very good. We thought that she really was a strong voice and was a good contestant to have on the show. और जो भी हमें जो openly उसके साथ बातें हुई थी, we felt that she performed well. Harippa Games, everybody did the best that they could. Only few people, of course, shown in those tasks. Arushi again was fantastic in Harippa Games. जो advantage ने लिया था, she was like killer on the rope task. Right now, Arushi is watching right now and saying, finally, Nikhil is finally saying good stuff.
Good stuff about me.
But yeah, listen,
But Arushi-
we come back.
Yeah.
Sorry, saying?
So Arushi is. This is what I thought. This is what we thought as a team. Team Loyalty. We thought Arushi is the best girl on the show. So there was no way for Apurva to beat her. That's what we were sure about. So the part where we had to pick between Prakhar, Poonam, and Bhavesh, and I forgot her name. Tanya.
Tanya.
Yes.
Yes.
Tanya.
I was blank for a second as well. Tanya. Yeah.
I know her as Wi-Fi to Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
That's what I know her as. But that part was kind of easy too, because we knew Poonam. She seemed like a very smart girl, and she was Malar's friend. Malar was a good friend of ours, so we thought we'd pick her. That was easy pick. And then Prakhar, I've known Prakhar off the show. He's from Pune, and we've met a few times in a club. So I've known him. I knew that if he'll be more loyal to me than Bhavesh could be, I wasn't sure about Bhavesh's loyalty. So knowing the fact that Prakhar and Poonam are both, Prakhar and Bhavesh were equally strong. I don't think Bhavesh is stronger than Prakhar. I think he just he did the task faster, like his part of the
Bhavesh definitely did. Bhavesh smoked his part of the task. He was really good.
For sure.
But you know what? Sometimes what I also look for as a leader in people is not just people who are the best at doing a task. It's people who dig really deep to get a task done.
Exactly.
Because उस टास्क में ना केविन मैं बार-बार बोलता हूँ टास्क में कि आपको ध्यान देना है उस पार्ट पे कि ये टास्क को जीता या हारा जाएगा कहाँ पे. The winning or the losing of the task was going to happen in the question and the answers and the balancing. That is where you are actually going to win and lose the task. So the people who are doing the task before that, Prakhar and Bhavesh, whoever did it faster was obviously going to be better in that zone. But that was not where the task was going to be won.
That wasn't the whole part. Yeah.
And for Prakhar to dig deep and to make sure that he got that last load of bricks across the line, for me, मैं तो काफी impressed है. मैं भावेश से भी बहुत ज़्यादा
impressed. Me too. I honestly think he can do the last one.
Yeah, but Prakhar was really good. By the way, we're gonna have Prakhar online tomorrow, and it's live on my page tomorrow at 5 o'clock. So if you guys are,
I'll be watching for sure.
5 o'clock, Prakhar will be here tomorrow as well.
Nice.
तो जब आरुषि जीती, आपको कैसा लगा?
What did I say? I said I was in 10th or 11th. I was on the 10th or 11th cloud. Everybody was high. I was the highest because I was so happy. I was so happy क्योंकि अगर वो हारा तो even I would have lost. Because her going home would be very heartbreaking for me than it would be for anybody else on the show. That is guaranteed. That is like a short.
Wait. और जब रणविजय ने कहा कि अपूर्वा आप अभी बच सकते हो, what went through your head?
Honestly, you see me smile. You see me like have that happy face because I was honestly happy for her. Because nobody thought she could win. And we all knew that she was gonna go home. But the fact that she got saved, I wasn't that happy because of my own team. I was happy for herself, like for Apurva. I was happy for her because I saw how sad she was, and she gave me a look right before, like when everybody voted her. Like when she lost, she gave me this look, and it was like a defeat. You know, like I lost. Like you got that look, and that I kind of felt bad, and I said sorry to her. Like I was
always, man.
Yeah,
you know, as gang leaders also, पिछले सीजन में जब हमारी गैंग दूसरे गैंग को हराती थी तो उस टाइम पे उस मोमेंट पे हमें अच्छा लगता था, मगर जब उस जीत की वजह से किसी दूसरे गैंग वाले मेंबर को घर जाना पड़ता था ना, तो it used to feel really like it used to suck.
Exactly.
Because you want, you know, at the end of the day,
you want everybody to
see वो एक चीज है, but genuinely I think everybody is a nice person in real life.
Yeah, for
most
sure.
of them.
100%.
Most of them.
Zabi's not a nice guy.
Hey, come on, no, come on.
No, I'm kidding. He's an amazing guy. That's why people love him. That's why people love him. But
okay. And your opinion? Do you think I should have given up a star, or Varun should have given up a star, or Neha should have given up a star for Apurva? I mean, Prince did at the end. Do you think anybody else?
Honestly, no, because getting a star is very difficult in roadies. Very difficult, and I know that. And giving away a star is more difficult. And I feel like whenever Prince Sir acts, he makes sure he plays his game right. Because at the end of the game is chess. You have to make the right move at the right time.
Yeah.
And I feel like he wanted to make a right move by protecting Apurva so that he can also kind of protect his own team.
Akash.
Because he knew that Apurva is not going to be in our team, for sure, 100%. And she's also a player that
Exactly.
gives the fire, gives the show. So,
Yeah. ये मैंने इस हफ्ते के रिव्यू में नहीं, पिछले हफ्ते के रिव्यू में कहा था कि मुझे लगता है कि प्रिंस ने आकाश को इसलिए टोका था क्योंकि वो जानता है कि अपूर्वा was never going to vote. Apurva was never going to put you, Michael, or Hamid before Akash.
Exactly. Yes. Yes.
And Arushi always was going to put you three guys before Akash. He's like, yeah, Apurva, you vote kiya. Okay.
Akash is good. Akash is a really good competitor, but he didn't do much planning, plotting. I feel like being in roadies, you have to do everything. Everything. You have to plan, plot. You have to perform. You have to be nice to people. You also have to be hated by people.
Yeah. So
It's a show. That's
you've
how-
got one out of those, right? Right.
I got yeah.
You're rubbish at planning. You're rubbish at plotting. You're rubbish at being like people. Everybody hates you.
Yes, sir. Everybody.
We love you.
But
Love you,
if I have haters, that only means I'm doing good.
We love you, Kevin.
Yeah. I love that dinosaur too.
Okay, listen, we got another buddy of mine, Kevin, who's the musician. He's online, and he said that you are the highest of all the high people. So be careful, NCB is watching. So don't get so high. Listen, I gotta go. It's 5:18. I gotta get Mike on the line because Mike's gotta go somewhere else. So I'm gonna say
Yeah, I know.
hang up on you.
All right.
and,
Thank you for letting me join. It was awesome seeing you again.
we'll chat again this week.
We should do this more often.
Yes, and happy
The
training.
whole team loyalty thing. Yes. Thank you.
Episode 2. Take it easy,
All
man.
right.
See you.
See you. Bye.
Bye. Okay, so that was Kevin और केविन के साथ बहुत मजा आ रहा था बात करते हुए और जैसे कि केविन ने कहा कि वो और आरुषि they just friends और अभी इसके बाद Mike's gonna join us and then there's gonna be Hamid and then Arushi as well. So let's try and get Mike on the line if I can get this to work. Where is Michael? Michael, there he is. There he is, waiting for Michael to connect. These lives are fun to comment on, says Kevin Fernando. Kevin Fernando, play some music, man. Play some music. Yo, there he is.
What's up? Good.
How you doing, Mike? Camera, I like what you're wearing.
Yeah, I'm wearing something.
Is that your MVP behind you, Sneha?
Yes, it is. Sneha, say hi.
Hi, Sneha. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good. What exactly are you wearing, Mike?
What?
What exactly are you wearing? It looks like a dhoti, kurta, pajama.
I
Yeah,
don't know what you're wearing.
it kind of is.
It kind of is okay. Fair enough.
One second. I'm just gonna exit and come back. I'm just having an issue with my camera. So
Okay.
1 minute.
Okay, you want me to? I'll add you back. Just hang up and I'll add you back. Guys, also don't forget कि कल 5 बजे we're going to do a live with Prakhar. I'm also going to talk to Bhavish and see whether he's available and he's free. Maybe we can do Bhavish and Prakhar together on a live tomorrow at 5 o'clock. And Mike's still there. I'm just going to remove him and add him again. वो कल हो रहा है 5 बजे और आज माइकल के बाद हम हामिद से बात करेंगे और हामिद के बाद आरुषि से बात करेंगे। माइक आरुषि से बात करेंगे। ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे हिंदी को? वैसे मेरी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी है। I think we're still having problems with Michael's internet. In the meantime, Abji George is here. How are you doing, Abji? Aman Roy, hello sir. How are you, sir? Says Ritu Jha. Hi, I'm from Cook. How are you, Chinappa bro? I'm very well, thank you. Guys, my latest review is up for the last episode. अगर आपने उसको पढ़ा नहीं है तो वो अभी Instagram पे मैंने उसको अपलोड कर दिया है कुछ फोटोग्राफ्स के साथ जो मेरे अच्छे दोस्त RJ ने खींचे हैं. RJ is a fantastic photographer. I think Michael is online now. Yes, he is. I just saw him. There he is. I'm back. Yes. So we're gonna get. Okay, you're back. Excellent.
Alright, I'm back.
Okay, Mike, we're gonna get straight into this. जब रणविजय ने कहा कि अपूर्वा आप बच सकते हो,
हाँ.
तो आपके दिमाग में क्या चला?
आपने मेरा वीडियो में देखा था ना, what is this madness? I was like, what? I thought once people vote you out, you're out. Like, I mean, how can you? It was so unexpected.
तो मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ कि अगर आप एक स्टार, आपके पास एक स्टार होता, तो
हाँ,
वो स्टार अगर आप किसी के लिए दे सकते थे, आप किसको देते? या आप नहीं देते उस स्टार को?
उन तीनों जो वहां थे,
नहीं,
उन तीनों
घर
में।
जा रही थी, अपूर्वा
हाँ।
घर जा रही थी। हाँ, तीनों जो तीन वहां पे थे, भावेश, तानिया और अपूर्वा। आप किसी को बचाते हैं या आप कहते हैं कि यार ये स्टार बहुत ही कीमती है, इसको कमाने में बहुत एफर्ट लगता है, बहुत मुश्किल है इसको कमाना, तो ये स्टार मैं किसी को नहीं दूंगा? आप क्या करते हैं?
मैं सोचा मैं definitely if the person was worth it, मैं star I would have given it, like I wouldn't have minded, but then I don't know, Prince, I don't know what was going on in his mind. Like मैं शायद नहीं देता, क्योंकि रणविजय ने बताया है कि स्टार को इतना वैल्यू है।
भाई मैं सच बताऊं,
हाँ,
मैं अभी तक तो इस सिचुएशन में नहीं आया हूं अभी तक, मगर अगर आप भी उस जगह होते
हाँ,
10 बार सोचता वो स्टार देने में, बिकॉज यू नो मैन, यू बीन ऑन द शो, यू नो हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज। और वो स्टार था तो हमारा, मगर उस स्टार को कमाया बाकी रोडियोज ने,
हाँ,
रोडीज ने,
रोडियो,
इवन द एंटरटेनमेंट टास्क जहाँ पे आपने मुझे एक स्टार दिलवाया,
हाँ,
स्टार था तो मेरा, but it was you, Kevin, Arushi, Abhimanyu, Shrishti that actually won the star.
हाँ, मेरा मन में भी यही था।
कि अगर आपने ये स्टार मुझे दिलवाया है, तो आप पांचों में से अगर कोई डेंजर में होता तो शायद मैं सोचता कि यार स्टार तो इन्हीं these are the guys who earned the star for me, इन्होंने मेरे लिए स्टार कमाया, तो मैं इनके लिए दूंगा, right? So maybe that's what would have been applied, but I don't know man, even you guys, I don't know whether I would have given up a star for you guys.
Yeah, I mean, at this point in the show, like no one is that close that where we can give up stars yet. So it was totally unexpected. मैं थोड़ा भी expect नहीं किया that Prince would give it up for Apurva, but well, he did what he did, and I hope it pays off.
People watching the live right now are saying this team's called Team Loyalty, right? Nikhil's saying like, screw you guys, I'm not giving up a star for you. What definition of loyalty is this now?
Yeah, I'm just like looking through the comments and no one is saying that, so that's good.
So listen, I actually want to know that what was happening behind the scenes, because the team captains were not involved in the task at all, right?
Yeah,
Only between those six, the 4 battleground winners, Apurva and Arushi. But behind the scenes, you guys realize that your group, you know, Team Loyalty, and the people that support Team Loyalty, who are also a part of Team Loyalty, like Taran and Aman and Nisha, you aren't in the majority. So are you guys doing stuff behind the scenes to try and win more people over, or are those doors shut? Like, what's going on?
so my goal was, so I had my hopes 100% pinned on Prakhar and Poonam, 100%. So I was like, I am going to, so because see, they were going and talking to all the captains and all that, but then all the captains, the other 3 captains, they already had their groups set, and we were the only ones who were separate. They had a big group and we were like alone. So what my goal was to make these 2 guys part of Team Loyalty by hook or by crook, because during the episode also you saw, as soon as they said who do you want to pick, both of them went Arushi, and that was a lot.
You know what I noticed? They didn't say Arushi. I think Prakhar ने कहा कि Arushi इस task के लिए. And I listened to people very, very carefully, and that's actually made me a little bit worried, क्योंकि हाँ जीता तो है उन्होंने आरुषि के साथ, मगर जब आप वापस जाके देखो एपिसोड को, या तो पूनम ने कहा था या प्रखर ने कहा था, one of them said कि इस टास्क में आरुषि, in this task.
That was Poonam था वो. Poonam बहुत समझदार लड़की है, and that's what I like about her too.
I really pay attention to what people are saying. और जब कोई ऐसा कुछ बोलता है ना, तो immediately मेरे दिमाग में एक warning flag खड़ी हो जाती है कि यार why did they choose these words? and not something else. So
True.
I'm still hoping that Poonam and Prakhar, because they've won with Arushi, that they'll be a part of the group. But you never know.
You never know. Like we've invited them into our tents also, so that's where they're staying as well. Because we're the only ones who have space.
तुम ऐसे कह रहे हो कि जैसे कि तुम्हारा टेंट तो रिट्स कार्ल्टन है, कोई बहुत बड़ा टेंट या मैरियट होटल है.
No.
Our tent. क्या आप साथ वाले
No, but
tent
then
में कुछ नहीं.
I mean, but still, an invitation is team loyalty's invitation. Welcome to the rough side.
But what was it like living in the tents? Was it like, I'm sure it must have been fun, but I don't think the tents are very comfortable, are they?
The tent was cold. That's just one word. Like, see, people think that I've lost a lot of weight. They're like, oh, since roadie is over, you've lost weight. I'm like, no, I was just wearing clothes, 7 clothes, 8 clothes all the time.
Yeah, man. It's just, you know, that I don't know whether I said it the last time when we went on live during the hailstorm night.
Yeah.
I had a banyan on the inside. Then I had 2 goggles. I had 2 sweaters. And then I had my suit on, and then after that I put on an overcoat, and then I put gloves on, and I was still cold. It was so. That night was.
Yeah.
Fun.
The hailstorm.
A picture of you with a shawl over your head saying, "Please get this over."
You know, one of my favorite pastimes, right? Whenever the episode is going on, I always look out for myself because I'm always standing and like shivering or like doing something because I'm just so uncomfortable.
In fact, पिछली बार मैं आरुषि का भी मजाक उड़ा रहा था कि जब वो जो इमोशनल सीन था ना कि जब वो ऊपर ऐसे देख रही थी, like she was really upset and stressed. I'm like, no, she's not upset.
No.
She's just freezing. She's like,
It's just cold.
Cold.
You know what? Each and every one of the uncomfortable expressions on screen, right? I realize that they're just from the cold. Everyone is just freezing.
Everybody was so cold. It wasn't funny. In fact, I think Ranvijay's got a new blog post out about it. It's on YouTube
Yeah.
now. If you go to Ranvijay's YouTube page, YouTube channel, he's got a couple of vlog posts about behind the scenes on roadies, and one of them is about the hail. So I haven't seen that one. I saw the one where we did the Haripur games where we all tried to throw javelins, and of course Ranvijay with his shoulder was.
Yeah.
That's all. That's okay.
I saw the hailstones one. I thought I'd never be able to show anyone that I lived through this, but then because of Ranvijay's blog, like I was able to see everything again.
Normally हम जो leaders हैं ना, हम इतने narcissistic होते हैं कि जब भी कोई moment होता है तो हम phones को बाहर निकालते हैं कि hey, let's make some content, let's shoot this. Dude, during the hailstone, I was like, fuck this, it's too cold, phone's staying in my pocket, I don't care. So I don't have any videos of the hailstones at all. None.
Wow.
I was just like, I couldn't be bothered to shoot anything at that point in time. And when he came from
I understand.
your tents, you guys don't know this, but I think maybe the next day when he came through that path, that muddy path at night was filled with slush and water. We don't know where we're going. We're sitting in tractors and navigating through these narrow paths to get to where your camp was. It's a crazy experience.
I noticed people had to keep changing their shoes.
Yeah. Over and over because the shoes are getting frozen and filled with water. Anyway, Mike, I know you've got to go somewhere. You've got work to do. People still saying Isala Cup Num Day. Guys, if you watched yesterday's game, I wouldn't be saying that too loudly because yesterday was इतनी पड़ी ना RCB की इतनी पड़ी अभी भी दर्द हो रहा है मुझे. So anyway, Mike, great chatting with you. We'll catch up again this week. And
Definitely.
Thanks for being a part of Team Loyalty. By the way, I'm getting some Team Loyalty face masks made.
Nice.
Logo, so I'll send some out to you as well. Kevin won't get this because he's in America. We're not couriering anything to America right now. So as soon as they're ready, I'll send some out to you guys.
Awesome. Sounds good.
Okay, man. Take it easy. I'll see you around. Bye, Sneha.
Sneha is gone. She's exited the room.
Yeah, she got bored. Right? She's like, yeah, these two guys talking. Okay, Mike. Take it easy.
Bye.
That is Mike and last. Let's see if Hamid is here. Yes, he is. Brother man Hamid. By Michelle. By Michelle. Ye Michelle. Hamid.
Hello, Nikhil. How are you?
Clean cut. Very nice look. Modeling करके
New
आया?
look.
Photoshoot से आया तू?
नहीं, मैं जाने वाला हूँ फोटोशूट के लिए
Seriously?
soon. And look at
क्या
this.
photoshoot कर रहा है तू?
Loyalty.
Oh, nice t-shirt, man. Oh, very nice.
Loyalty.
I love that. Let's see
Now
the
I'm waiting for the mask. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Very, very.
Loyalty. Now I'm
Very-
waiting for the mask, हाँ.
मास्क बन रहे हैं.
हाँ, कोई नहीं, आराम से.
You'll be ready soon.
How are you?
मैं तो ठीक हूँ यार. बैठा हूँ मुंबई में. वही चल रहा है. पेंडेमिक अभी भी जारी है. Everybody is
वही.
acting like the world is fine. In fact, यार मैं कल प्रखर से बात कर रहा था online and he was like, sir, how are you doing? ऐसे मैं तो ठीक हूँ यार, मैं घर पे हूँ. मेरा केस लोड कैसा चल रहा है? He said अभी भी बहुत टेंशन है. Lots of people are falling in, but people are pretending like everything is okay and it's okay to not be cautious
Exactly.
and to be careful. And I don't know why people are still taking it seriously. Donald Trump has got COVID, guys.
People have started clubbing, sir.
He has around him. वो भी बीमार पड़ चुका है.
लोग फुल पार्टी वार्टी कर रहे हैं सर, मतलब क्लबिंग सीन ऑन एंड एवरीथिंग विदाउट मास्क दैट टू.
It's crazy, man. I don't know why people are thinking they're invincible. तू बता क्या चल रहा है तेरा? दिल्ली में क्या चल रहा
बहुत बढ़िया. बैठे हुए हैं सर, अभी तो चिल कर रहे हैं. सिर्फ चिल ही कर रहे हैं और हेयर कट कराया भी नया.
है? IPL देख रहा है?
सर नॉट अ क्रिकेट फैन टू बी ऑनेस्ट.
What?
हाँ,
Oh, you're
क्रिकेट,
more of a basketball fan. More of a basketball.
फुटबॉल एंड बास्केटबॉल. बट मैं वो भी नहीं देखता सर, क्योंकि बहुत लेट आता है.
Did you see what happened with Liverpool and Manchester?
नो सर.
ओए!
सर मैं बता दे रहा हूँ सर.
Liverpool- अबे सुन. Aston Villa has almost been relegated. Beat Liverpool 7-2.
7-2.
Hotspurs beat Manchester United 6-1.
You follow it more than me, I guess.
यार मैं तो ज्यादा फॉलो नहीं करता हूँ, मगर my Twitter timeline exploded कि यार ये फुटबॉल में हो क्या रहा है. Tottenham Hotspur beat Manchester United 6-1. It was crazy.
Crazy.
Martial got a red card, he got sent off, but that's a different story. But even 10-man Manchester United lose 6-1 is crazy.
Crazy things are happening.
Anyway, तू अभी गेम के बारे में बात करते हैं. तू ये बता
गेम के बारे में बात.
टास्क में तो तेरे को कुछ करना नहीं था.
तालियां बजानी थी सर, क्या बात कर रहे हो, पूरा मोटिवेट किया. बहुत चेयर अप किया है, और क्या.
तेरे दिमाग में चल क्या रहा था?
सर दिमाग में बस यही चल रहा था कि आरुषि गेम में आनी चाहिए, कुछ भी हो जाए, क्योंकि अगर आरुषि बाहर जाती है तो हम कहीं ना कहीं वीक पड़ जाते हैं. तो दिमाग में बस यही चल रहा था कि आरुषि को किसी भी तरह परफॉर्म करना है. एंड वो परफॉर्म करती है, हमने उसको देखा है डे 1 से. शी हैज बीन परफॉर्मिंग एंड कैसे परफॉर्म करती है हम सबको पता है. कहीं ना कहीं हमें था उस पर पूरा भरोसा दैट शी विल विन द टास्क. एंड जब पता चला कि थोड़ा जनरल नॉलेज इन्वॉल्व है, तो ज्यादा भरोसा था तान्या पे कि वो ज्यादा खराब कर देगी. बट उसने भी बहुत अच्छा किया कहीं ना कहीं.
Actually, yeah. Well done, Tanya. Well done, Tanya. Very impressive.
Yeah, well done.
And this is a hallmark of a great roadie, someone who works on their deficiencies, on their weaker points, and then comes back stronger.
एग्जैक्टली सर. हाँ, तो यही चल रहा था. मेरे साइड में केविन था. केविन की लिटरली बोलूँ तो फटी पड़ी थी.
केविन
वो
का
बस-
फोटोज देख रहा हूँ, वीडियोस में भी देख रहा हूँ, वो तो एकदम झुका है, उसका सिर नीचे, लाइक फुल
सिर
गैंगस्टर
नीचे।
स्टाइल, मगर गैंगस्टर फटी पड़ी हुई गैंगस्टर.
वही, हाँ वही. देन फिर प्रखर कहीं ना कहीं रुक गया था. बट वही था कि टाइम बेस्ड टास्क था नहीं, तो कहीं ना कहीं प्रखर अपना टाइम लेके कर रहा था और आराम से कर रहा था, जो कि सही था मेरे हिसाब से. एंड ही डिड वेल.
बट
Then आरुषि obviously-
जब आपको पता चला कि अपूर्वा को अभी चांस है वापस आने के लिए, गेम में वापस आने का, तो पहला रिएक्शन क्या था तेरा?
Oh fuck.
ओके,
Why?
ने कहा, फिर पहले ये बता कि ये रिएक्शन क्यों था तेरा?
क्योंकि सर इतनी मुश्किल से लोग कम कर रहे थे हम लोग. एंड बैटल ग्राउंड फिनाले के लोग पहले ही आ चुके थे. एंड देन जो वोट आउट, मतलब जो वोट आउट हुआ तो वो तो वेस्ट ही हुआ एक हिसाब से. वोट आउट होना ही नहीं चाहिए था. आरुषि और वो दोनों ही आ गए ना अंदर गेम में.
कहीं ना कहीं हाँ, ठीक है, तू गलत नहीं कह रहा, मगर जो तू कह रहा, तो कि लोगों को कम कर रहा था, ये भी है कि तू ऑपोजिट साइड के लोगों को कम करने की कोशिश कर रहा था.
ऑब्वियसली सर, ऑब्वियसली मेजॉरिटी वहाँ पे ऑब्वियसली उनको कम करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. एंड यही था कि कैसे बड़ी मुश्किल से कम होते हैं सर लोग रोडीज में. एंड अलायंसेस बनाना सर, हर दूसरे दिन वहाँ दोस्त बदलते हैं, सीधी सी बात है। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि ये दोस्त है आपके तो यही रहेंगे, दोस्त वहाँ बदलते हैं। एंड अभी यही था कि हम नंबर्स में कम है,
ओके तो
बट तो
आप
यही
ये
था।
बताएं, आपका जो टीम है, जो टीम लॉयल्टी है, एक तो आप 4 हो और उसके साथ कौन कौन है?
प्रखर से, क्योंकि प्रखर को मैं पहले से जानता हूँ, तो मुझे पता था कि प्रखर अगर गेम में आता है कहीं ना कहीं हमारे साइड ही होगा। पूनम का
कह नहीं सकते यार,
कह नहीं सकते हाँ, बट क्योंकि मेरा दोस्त है इसलिए मुझे पता है हो सकता है, तो इसलिए सोचा कि देखते हैं क्या होता है सीन। बट यही था कि प्रखर पे था भरोसा, तो वो क्या करता है गेम में आके वो देखना पड़ेगा। और जब आप बात कर रहे थे कि उसने क्लियरली बोला कि सिर्फ इस टास्क के लिए,
और जो दूसरे साइड में जो लोग हैं ना, एक बहुत अच्छी दोस्ती बन चुकी है, विपिन, अभिमन्यु, आकाश, जबी, इनके बीच में। इज देयर एनी वे ऑफ ट्राइंग टू विन एनी ऑफ देम ओवर? कि वो तो कभी नहीं होगा क्योंकि वो इतने अच्छे दोस्त बन गए।
मुश्किल है सर मेरे हिसाब से, क्योंकि
ये
उनका
दोस्ती-
बॉन्ड जो है। बट सर मैं इसमें बिलीव करता हूँ कि हम सब निकल जाएंगे, फिर एंड में तो आपस में निकालना ही पड़ेगा ना, फिर क्या करोगे?
ये बात भी सही है यार, क्योंकि
मेरा-
कि तुम एक ही साइड को खाली करो, फिर बाकी के जो जितने भी लोग हैं वो साथ में फिनाले में जाएंगे।
वही तो बात है सर, इतना रोडीज है सर,
इतना
इतना इजी नहीं होने वाला, रोडीज है। एंड स्टार, जहां तक स्टार की बात है तो कहीं ना कहीं वो ठीक भी किया प्रिंस सर ने, मुझे सही भी नहीं लगा, क्योंकि रन सर ने बहुत क्लियरली बोला था ऑडिशंस में कि ये स्टार आपको फिनाले में पहुंचाएगा। बट फिर भी सर ने स्टार दे दिया। उनका जो रीजन था कि लोगों की जर्नी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो वो भी सही था, मतलब
वो भी सही था, एग्जैक्टली।
50-50 बेसिकली।
यार अगर मैं होता तो, जैसे कि मैंने माइकल से भी कहा कि मैं तो 10 बार सोचता यार कि ये स्टार दूं या ना दूं।
बट अगर आरुषि,
यार जब वो ईडीएम का जो टास्क जब हम जीते थे ना, आई कुडंट बिलीव इट। फर्स्टली इट्स माय वर्स्ट टास्क, एंटरटेनमेंट टास्क।
I
मेरे
know,
को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, मेरे को नाचना अच्छा नहीं लगता, मेरे को स्टेज पे परफॉर्म करना या डांस करना बिल्कुल
क्या तो
ही अच्छा
डांस
नहीं
किया
लगता,
सर आपने,
especially-
A1 तो डांस किया आपने, मजा आ गया।
Especially to Bollywood. मेरे से नहीं होता। अगर उस स्टार को मुझे किसी को देना होता ना, so maybe which I told Michael, शायद आरुषि, केविन, सृष्टि, अभिमन्यु या
मेरा भी नाम ले लो प्लीज।
तू तो था ही नहीं मेरी टीम में उस टाइम पे। क्यों?
अच्छा उस टाइम पे,
हैं?
अच्छा
सर उन्होंने वो स्टार जिताया था ना।
अच्छा ऐसे कह रहे हो फिर तो। अच्छा या
स्टार अवे, आई वुड गिव इट फॉर वन ऑफ देम, किसी और को, क्योंकि स्टार तो मेरे नाम का बन गया स्टार, मगर जिताया तो रोडीज ने।
बट वही तो सर, कहीं ना कहीं अगर आरुषि उस सिचुएशन में खड़ी होती तो मैं बहुत श्योर था कि आप स्टार ना देते, चाहे 10 या 11 बार ही सोचते पर देते।
नहीं, आरुषि के लिए मैं शायद कम सोचता, मगर तेरे लिए तो मैं बहुत सोचता।
चलो कोई नहीं, सोच तो रहे हो आप मेरे बारे में, वही सही है, सोचना जरूरी है।
Anyway,
तो ये थी टास्क की बात। एंड संजय का तो, क्योंकि मैंने अभी अनसीन अनदेखा, आपने देखा कि नहीं देखा मुझे पता नहीं, बट संजय वोट करता है फिर रोता है, मुझे वो समझ नहीं आता। या तो वोट मत कर या तो रो मत।
एक्चुअली वो पिछले एपिसोड में मेरे को बहुत हंसी आई। तो संजय तूने क्यों वोट किया? क्योंकि जब तुमने दोस्तों का नाम लिया तूने मेरा नाम नहीं लिया।
सर वेरी स्टूपिड रीजन। और जब हम आ रहे थे वोट आउट के लिए बाहर, उसने लिटरली बोला था कि गाइस अपने मतलब टीम को कि रिहर्स कर लेते हैं नाम किसको वोट करना है, क्योंकि वो डिसाइडेड था बहुत पहले से कि आरुषि को ही नाम लिखना है उनको। बट वो फालतू सिली रीजन दिया एक तो उसने, और एक नंबर का फेक सर। फिर रो रहा है, रो तो मत, वोट करके रो मत। दैट्स द पॉइंट।
मुझे तो जब वो रोने पड़ा ना, तो मैं यार थोड़ा सीरियस हो गया कि यहाँ पे हो क्या रहा है, कि एक्चुअली मे बी बिहाइंड द सीन्स कुछ कहानी है जिसके बारे में मैं जानता नहीं हूँ या हम सब जानते नहीं है। और जब उसने रीजन बताया ना, तो मैं ये क्या रीजन है?
एंड आई थॉट ही इज क्राइंग फॉर अपूर्वा, बट उसने बोला कि दोनों के लिए यार, दोनों मेरे दोस्त हैं।
दोनों कहाँ से बने दोस्त?
बोल रहा था ना ये, तो वो तो बोल रहा था ये वो।
Okay. Anyway,
ये गेम चल रही है।
The season looks like it's going to be super duper interesting, and we'll have to see कि आगे क्या होता है, क्योंकि आगे।
बट सर मुझे आपसे ही पूछना है कि आपके लिए डिफरेंट कैसे है, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली गैंग्स होती है हर बारी, एंड इस बारी सब इंडिविजुअली खेल रहे हैं। आपका कोई ना कोई फेवरेट तो ऑब्वियसली कैप्टन है आपका, तो फेवरेट तो है ही। यार कैसे डिफरेंट कैसे है?
डिफरेंट तो एक चीज है, क्योंकि जब एक बार गैंग्स बन जाती है या टीम्स बन जाते हैं ना, तो लगाव बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है अपनी टीम के लिए। ठीक है, कुछ लोग तो सोचते हैं कि यार हम हर साल ये शो करते हैं, हर साल हम लीडर बन के आते हैं या गैंग लीडर बन के आते हैं, तो हमें उतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता. बट व्हेन वी आर फाइटिंग फॉर आवर टीम, फॉर आवर गैंग, और जब मैं किसी को दोस्त मान लेता हूँ या वो मेरे दिल में बैठ जाता है, so then I get very emotional about it. I get very passionate about it. And there are some people that यार उनका वाइब ही सही रहता है, जैसे कि केविन के साथ मेरा वाइब शुरू से ही अच्छा रहा है, माइकल के साथ वाइब शुरू से अच्छा रहा है, और ऑडिशन से तेरे साथ वाइब बहुत अच्छा रहा है, इसलिए क्योंकि जो पहला जो वोट आउट था जहाँ पे मेरे पास 2 immunity
मेरा भी
थे.
उस दिन से वाइब बहुत बढ़िया हो गया था सर मेरा आपके साथ.
And actually, you one of those immunities, मैं किसी को भी ले सकता था उस टाइम पे, but I just thought कि, और मुझे लग रहा था कि उस दिन आप डेंजर में थे क्योंकि आप बहुत कम बोल रहे थे उस टाइम पे. You hadn't really opened out and you were still trying to figure out कि गेम में हो क्या रहा है, आपके दोस्त कौन है, आपके दुश्मन कौन है. And I thought कि यार इसको maybe he needs the immunity today, so at that time I'd given you the immunity. And from that time onwards I just kind of kept an eye out on you. इसकी कोई special वजह नहीं है. You just kind of feel about some people a little more than the others. That's it.
Yes sir. Yeah.
It's a
Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much. अगर नहीं होता तो शायद मैं जा रहा होता उस दिन का सर.
I actually think कि हाँ, शायद जिस दिन साकिब गया था, अगर आपके पास इम्यूनिटी नहीं थी तो शायद
मैं जा रहा
1-2
हूँ.
वोट तो आ सकते थे आपके खिलाफ, maybe.
आ सकते थे.
Anyway, listen, I'm going to go now. I'm going to get Arushi on the line because I know there are people
Okay.
who want to get her point of view as well. But we'll talk about
Done,
this
done.
week. और
See you
लॉयल्टी के
soon.
मास्क बन रहे हैं. मैं आपको भेज दूंगा आपका बॉक्स and wear it. And
Thank you so much.
Everybody who's watching the stream right now, guys, please be safe. Don't take chances with COVID-19. The pandemic has not gone away. और कल 5 बजे प्रखर के साथ एक इंस्टा लाइव होगा, तो अगर आप फ्री हो प्लीज ज्वाइन. And after he's also a doctor, so you can ask him about the pandemic as well.
He's too good.
He's a cool guy, man. I'm actually super impressed by him क्योंकि not only is he a doctor, which is like a really difficult profession to excel at, क्योंकि उसमें पढ़ाई बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. He also finds time to train, and he's a musician as well. So he's like a superbly well-rounded personality.
Very talented sir. Very talented.
He must be getting hiccups right now because we're talking about it.
Okay sir. Join
Okay, Hamid.
Arushi
Take it
now.
easy.
Take care. Bye. See you soon.
See you soon. Bye. Okay, that was Hamid, and like I said, tomorrow we're going to get Prakhar online. Hopefully, Bhavish is going to be free as well. And let's see if Arushi is online right now. We'll have a chat with her and get her point of view. If I can get Instagram to work. Oh, there's Arushi. Okay, waiting for Arushi. Bye, Hamid. Yeah, everybody's happy. Yo!
Hey!
ये आपके पीछे क्या है? बाकी का तोता कहाँ गया?
It's a dream catcher.
बाकी का तोता कहाँ गया? क्या हुआ उसको?
It's a dream catcher. Look what I have today with me.
Oh, very good.
Please don't get that out. Yeah, I saw
Not
it.
only for that, right?
Yes, I
Once
did.
Kevin and once somebody else. Anyway, Arushi, आप कहाँ गई थी? क्योंकि आप पहाड़ों में थी 2 दिन पहले.
I was in. Yeah, it was beautiful. I was at Kheer Ganga. So my first post-COVID trek, though I know it's dangerous, but I really wanted to get out in the woods, so I went there. And congratulations, like it's a big thing for me and for Team Loyalty that a lot of people showed their love. They called out Team Loyalty and they called out your name, they called out my name, and it was very nice.
कहाँ पे? मार्केट में?
Yeah, in Kasol market during the trek. Imagine during the trek, people recognize me with my whole messy hair and with the shades on. They recognized.
What do you think you look like while performing the task? By the way, ये मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ. So obviously people will recognize you when you're looking messy.
True.
Okay, listen. Everybody wants to know why did I not appreciate Arushi? And actually, that's a great question.
I think जैसा आपने बोला अपने लाइफ में that you already have you appreciate your close ones very less, which I think is common between us. We don't need to. Like I know whenever I need, जब EDM task में आपने मुझे अपना कैप्टन बनाया और उसके पहले उसी वक्त जब आपने immunity दी थी मुझे, I knew that you trust me, and आपका मुझे appreciate करना ना करना in words does not really matter. It's all in actions, so it's It's fine. I don't know why people.
Well,
Like-
it's nice of you to say that, but actually I have been doing some soul searching. और मुझे लगता है कि मुझे लोगों को एक्चुअली थोड़ा और अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि अच्छी बात है यार, कोई अच्छा काम करता है तो बोलना चाहिए कि यार well done. It's not a bad thing to do, and you aced it. You are like amazing. The only point
Thank you.
of the task जहाँ पे मेरा दिमाग बहुत गर्म हो रहा था,
When I was
हवा
sleeping,
चल रही थी, आपको
the
याद है कि हम कितना हवा चल रहा था उस time?
picture खींचने के लिए, हाँ जी.
पिक्चर खींचने के टाइम पे तो आप let me check I'm like oh shit I got it
Yes, sir.
that was a bit funny.
I could actually hear you scream, like, not just in the video. I could hear you scream. Arshik, click the picture, and all I.
It kept following Apurva or
Yeah. उनकी टीम कहाँ है? Tanya and Bhavish.
sorry Tanya, sorry.
Okay.
But Apurva and Tanya, their pieces kept falling over with the wind.
Yeah, it was a very strong windy day.
ये बताओ कि जब आपने सुना रणविजय से कि अपूर्वा शायद आप आज घर नहीं जाओगे, what do you think?
I didn't like it.
Did you feel that you'd won at that point? क्योंकि मैंने रिव्यू में लिखा है कि you must have felt like what do you have to do? I mean, you fight with someone so much, you go up against them, you get into a vote out with them together, then you form a team, you win a task, और फिर भी
I just felt that it was, though I had won, though team loyalty had won, but nothing changed. Like इतना कुछ करने के बावजूद अगर एक star से चीजें become like this, so it didn't feel very nice. That's it. Had it been for Akash, like had it been Akash getting saved by the star, it would have been something else. But for her, not nice. Not a nice feeling.
and did you expect कि right off the bat Prince didn't say take my star, right? Did you expect
I didn't.
leaders में से कोई star देगा अपूर्वा के लिए?
I didn't. I felt that leaders भी देख चुके हैं कि बंदे ने मतलब all the leaders have been watching and they have seen who should be here, who should not be here, who has had enough chances given. So I didn't feel that Prince would do that. But then when he did it and the reason he gave was, I think it was all in all pretty evident that he was doing it all for Akash, so that Apurva and her majority saves Akash for the later game. It wasn't for Apurva, I'm sure. It wasn't for her.
If that is Prince's reason, and we don't know whether
Yeah.
that was his reason, if that is his reason, it's a very smart reason.
Yes, it is.
जैसा कि हामिद ने भी कहा कि हम इतना कोशिश कर रहे थे कि दूसरे साइड से एक दो को कम करें क्योंकि हमारी वैसी संख्या इतनी कम है. And now when you look at the numbers, क्योंकि we don't know कि प्रखर किस तरफ जाएगा, पूनम किस तरफ जाएगी.
True.
जो आपके साथ जो लोग हैं बहुत कम है और जो ऑपोजिट साइड में है बहुत ज्यादा.
बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. True.
Yeah. And it's a tricky one. So it's not such a, if that was the reason that Prince gave the star to protect his team captain, it's not a bad thing. But smart.
It is very. It was very smart of him.
तो जब आपका पहले वोट आउट हुआ था तो आप वापस टेंट में आए और आपने अपूर्वा का जो वोट आउट का कार्ड था वो आपने दीवार पे चिपकाया.
सामने.
You wanted that to remind you, right? और
Yes.
मैंने उसको देखा. एपिसोड पे मैंने देखा. I wasn't there myself, but I saw the episode. इस स्टार देने के चक्कर के बाद जब आप वापस गए कैंप्स में, don't tell me what happened because obviously वो अभी तक दिखा नहीं है. Just tell me how you felt.
I felt two things. One, I felt very relieved that I was back in the game, that team loyalty के साथ मैं जुड़ी हुई हूँ, and I still have chances आगे to get things settled and to play our game so that we can remove people. I was still in the game at least. The second feeling I had was that, and now it's a very, very difficult situation when we see that leaders are also supporting the majority. So it became more difficult for us now to कि अगर अब हम perform करके भी नहीं बचेंगे तो अब हम कैसे बचें? Now all that was going on in our head was कि एक तो perform तो करना ही है, second to get more people towards our side because just performing will not help.
And you
It
know
is
what's
not
even
gonna
more
help.
complicated now? The guys who are watching this will also appreciate this. क्योंकि अभी हड़प्पा टास्क के बाद हमने बात की थी कि जो आप जो चाह रहे हैं अगर आप एक साथ एक टीम में जाते हो तो फिर आपके खिलाफ वोट डालना बहुत आसान हो जाता
बहुत
है.
आसान हो जाता है. True.
ठीक है. तो अभी उसका ऑप्शन क्या है कि आप अगर टीम
बट के
बनते
खेलें.
हैं या कोई अलायंस से बनते हैं आप स्प्लिट हो जाओ. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अगर दो लोग यहाँ पे जाते हैं और दो लोग वहाँ पे जाते हैं, whichever team loses,
Yeah,
तो लोगों को टारगेट करना उतना ही आसान हो जाता है.
true.
So
True.
it's like
It's becoming.
it's like a lose-lose situation.
Yeah, exactly.
Really
For
scary situation.
for team loyalty, it's like हम दोनों तरफ से बज रहे हैं. क्या करें? परफॉर्म करें तब भी बज रहे हैं, स्प्लिट होके खेले तब भी हो रहा है, तो it is going to be problematic, let's say.
It is. Anyway, so Apurva and you going to be friends now after this?
I think we're okay. We're not after. Acha, on the show,
On the show.
I don't think I need to even answer this. No, not at all. No.
It's like ice
with
cream and
what?
sunshine can never be friends.
Yeah, and what she said after, like, she's been presented as star, she should be thankful for that. And even after that, she's like, कि मैं दिलों पे राज करती हूँ. Excuse me, no, you need to get your facts right. You don't do anything like that. It's Prince's बड़प्पन to give that, to give his star to you. You
फिर
really.
मगर इससे मेरे को एक और सवाल याद आया, क्योंकि जब मैंने कहा कि मेरी शायद गलती है कि मैं लोगों को अप्रिशिएट नहीं करता हूँ, मुझे करना चाहिए. मुझे लगता है कि आपको शो पे काफ़ी मिसअंडरस्टैंड किया गया है कि आप बहुत घमंडी हैं, कि आप लोगों के साथ बात नहीं करते हैं. प्रिंस सर ने भी कहा कि आपने कहा आरुषि, इफ आपने और हम दोनों के बीच में बात नहीं हुई है तो गलती आपकी है, क्योंकि आपने हमसे बात नहीं की है. प्रिंस ऑल्सो पॉइंटेड आउट. क्या आपको लगता है कि आप बाय नेचर एक रिजर्व इंट्रोवर्टेड पर्सन हो, कि इसकी वजह है कि लोग आप दूसरों के you don't talk to other people and you're misunderstood? And is that a failing of yours? Is there something that you need to work on कि अगर अब मैं ऐसा शो करने वाली हूँ, then I need to make more of an effort कि मैं लोगों के साथ जाके बात करूँ और उनके साथ बैठूँ, पूछूँ कि उनके लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, नहीं तो लोग सोचेंगे कि I'm a stuck up.
हाँ. So मैं बस इसमें ये बोलूँगी कि of course being more and more extrovert and being out there with people and talking all the time helps. But then मैं जिस तरह की हूँ कि I make very special bonds or strong bonds with very few people and come on. And वो ऐसे हैं कि I think people will also watch कि जो मेरे साथ लोग हैं वो मतलब कितना भी प्रॉब्लम क्यों ना हो गया और लोग मेरा कहते तब भी मेरे साथ जो लोग खड़े हैं वो एंड तक खड़े ही रहेंगे. वो पार्टी बदलने वाले लोग नहीं है. तो इवन टू गेट that kind of friendship in a game like this is itself a big achievement, and if I am fortunate so that I don't think I need to change myself in the game or outside. But yes, जो प्रिंस सर ने बोला है कि मेरे को और बातचीत करना चाहिए था लोगों से भी और लीडर से भी, that could have helped. Yes, with the leaders it could have helped, ताकि आपको प्रिंस सर को, वरुण सर को, नेहा मैम को और क्लैरिटी होती कि मैं कैसी हूँ. But then आपको भी पता है वहाँ टास्क में you don't get time to talk. It's only in the vote outs when you can really speak out your mind.
इनफैक्ट आपने मेरे से आके बात की थी जब हमारा ढंग से
हाँ जी.
photographs of Raftar to listen to what we talked
Yes.
about. You had come and confided in me in something. I don't remember exactly what it was.
I remember it. So all I said was कि I don't feel that my speaking up will help me. So I really need some support and some trust from your side to trust me in my potential and give me a chance.